Probable cause. What does totality of circumstances mean? Imagine you're walking down the street when a police officer stops you. They ask questions or maybe even search you. Do they need a reason? Well, that reason is called probable cause. But how do they decide if they have enough? That's where the idea of the totality of circumstances comes into play. Probable cause means there is a reasonable belief, based on facts and circumstances, that a crime has been or is being committed. It justifies actions like making an arrest or conducting a search. But it's not just about one piece of evidence or a single tip. It's about the whole picture. The phrase totality of circumstances refers to a legal way of looking at all the details around a situation together. Instead of relying on just one fact, law enforcement and judges consider everything: witness reports, police observations, and other relevant information. This approach helps make sure decisions are fair and based on a balanced view, not just a hunch or a single piece of evidence. For example, if police get an anonymous tip that someone is selling drugs, they can't just act on that tip alone. They need to look for other signs like suspicious behavior or matching observations. If they see a person nervously looking around or hiding something, that adds to the case for probable cause. When all these details are combined, they form the totality of circumstances that support or deny the suspicion. This method replaced older rules that required specific criteria to be met before law enforcement could act. Now, they look at everything together to decide if they have enough reason to proceed. It's a flexible way to judge whether a search or arrest is reasonable. From your point of view, knowing this means understanding that no single fact automatically gives law enforcement the right to search or arrest you. They need a reasonable basis that considers all the facts at hand. If you feel your rights were violated because the police didn't properly establish probable cause, you might be able to challenge the legality of the search or arrest in court. In simple terms, the totality of circumstances is about looking at the whole story. It's a way to make sure that actions taken by law enforcement are based on a fair and complete assessment of what's really happening. This helps protect your rights while allowing police to do their job when there's genuine suspicion.